Hey there, welcome back to the channel where we help you own your interviews and build your dream career. If you've ever walked out an interview thinking, I knew the answers but I didn't sound confident enough, this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to show you how to make interviewers fall in love with your confidence, even if you're nervous inside. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do before, during, and after the interview to leave a lasting impression. Let's dive right in. Thought Balloon Part 1. Understand what confidence really means. Most people think confidence means acting bold or loud. But true confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about being the most certain of who you are. Interviewers fall in love with candidates who are calm, clear, and comfortable in their own skin. They don't want someone who tries to impress. They want someone who's authentic and self-assured. So remember this. Confidence is not the absence of fear. It's the presence of faith in yourself. Once you understand that, you can begin to project confidence naturally, not forcefully. Brain Part 2. The Secret Preparation Ritual. Confidence begins before you enter the interview room. Here's a 3-step ritual that will transform your mindset. Know your story. Prepare 3 clear stories that show your strengths, challenges, and achievements. When you know your story, you never stumble because you're speaking from truth. Rehearse your energy, not just your answers. Practice speaking slowly, smiling, and keeping eye contact. You're not performing, you're connecting. Visualize the win. Close your eyes before the interview and imagine shaking hands confidently, smiling, and hearing the words, "You're hired." Your brain starts believing what you visualize often. When you walk in, the interviewer will feel that calm certainty before you even speak. Speaking Head Part 3. Body language that speaks confidence. Your body talks before your mouth does. Here's what confident body language looks like. Posture. Sit upright but relaxed, not stiff. Smile. A warm, natural smile breaks the tension instantly. Eye contact. Maintain it steadily, not staring. Look at them like you're having a friendly conversation. Gestures. Use your hands naturally to emphasize points, but don't overdo it. Small detail. When you walk into the room, don't rush. Walk at a calm pace. It signals assurance, not anxiety. Remember, confidence is quiet. Insecurity is loud. Speech Balloon Part 4. How to sound confident even when you're nervous. You could be nervous inside and still sound confident. Here's how. Pause before you answer. Most people rush because they're scared of silence. Confident people own the pause. It shows thoughtfulness. Lower your tone slightly. Speaking too high or too fast signals anxiety. Slow down and speak with calm authority. Use power words. Instead of saying, "I think I can," say, "I'm confident I can." Instead of "I tried," say, "I achieved" or "I learned." End sentences with certainty. Don't trail off with, or sort of. Speak like your words matter, because they do. These subtle shifts can make an interviewer think, wow, this person really knows their stuff. Manstanding Part 5. Show emotional intelligence. Confidence isn't just about how you feel. It's about how you make others feel. Interviewers love candidates who are calm, kind, and self-aware. Here's how to show emotional intelligence. Listen actively. Nod and respond genuinely to what the interviewer says. Show gratitude. Say things like, "I really appreciate you asking that question." Stay composed under tricky questions. If you don't know the answer, smile and say, "That's a great question. Here's how I'd approach finding the answer." That's confidence, not perfection, but composure. Puzzle Piece Part 6. The closing move that seals the deal. When the interviewer says, "Do you have any questions for us?" That's your moment. Ask something powerful like, "What qualities do your top performers here share?" Or, "What's something you personally enjoy about working here?" It shows maturity, genuine curiosity, and self-awareness. Then, end with a firm handshake and a confident smile. Thank you for your time today. I've really enjoyed our conversation. That final impression lingers long after you leave. Confidence isn't a talent, it's a practice. Every time you prepare, speak clearly, and trust yourself, you grow stronger. So the next time you walk into an interview, remember this. You don't have to be perfect to be powerful. You just have to be prepared and present. If this video helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a confidence boost before their next interview. See you in the next one. And remember, you've got this.